The 2005 Dodge Magnum. The Dodge Magnum proves that the station wagon is cool again. When it comes to style, power, and utility, there's nothing else quite like the Magnum, which is available in either V6 or V8 with horsepower to spare and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.